Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch profiles on Threads. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for Threads. Open that. So once you open, you simply need to click on your profile in the right bottom. Then you need to click on two lines on the top right. Here you need to click on logout. So click on logout again. Okay, and here you can see an option to switch accounts. Click on that. So here you can see different accounts. So it is up to you if you want to open this account, or this account. So let's suppose I want to open this account. So click on that. So it will take few seconds to open my this account. So here you can see that. So if you want to import from Instagram your data, you click on that and you simply need to click on this arrow and you will be on your Threads profile, open new account or another account. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.